right, Monday, New Zealand USD post analysis. Today's not Monday, but this trade was on Monday. We have this move coming in. If I zoom out real quick, it was steadily moving up. 200 MAs moving up, but we did have this push down. So I think that had something to do with this also. But we were pushing down on the 15, and we were rolling over with this big break, pullback. So lots of buyers buying this up. Small pullback, big buyers. So lots of demand. Rise, base, rise, support, resist. I mean, not support resistance, but lots of demand. But the buyers wanted it. They wanted it even more aggressive. So I was like, okay, that's great. From here to here, and then here to here, that's even longer. Let's get in on a nice slow pullback, very deep pullback, coming into New York. And I dropped down on the 5 minutes and saw this rolling over-ish. It was just slowing down, so I put in a position size of half my standard size, 1% on this as kind of a bounce trade. Stops pretty tight, and it went in my favor. I noticed on the 5 minute time frame, this area right here was where the volume started to kind of pick up. So I was saying, you know what, let's just get out there. Let's take our 1.8, almost 2R, and call that good. And that's what happened. So we went up pretty aggressively, pulled back pretty good, aggressively, and then back up. And then as this was pulling back around that area where the volume was, I'd anticipated something there. It was pulling back on the 5 minutes. I saw it just start roll over a little bit more here. Still pretty aggressive entry. There was no V formation test range. Went ahead and did another 1% position size for an aggressive entry. And this would be push 1, 2, and then 3, and it rolled over. And I went ahead and exited up here as it wasn't making any higher highs. And then this started pulling back through the end of New York, and then into Asia. We had some aggression coming up. And that same night I was trading Asia as well. And this one did more of a standard discount coming in. And I looked at this as almost like a set 1, set 2. You're getting a better price. Let's have a V formation, a test, and a money spot right here. These guys are still saying sell very clearly. These guys are saying buy with these big boys that got their first push, second push. And what I was really thinking was we had this set 1, set 2, and we're going to make new highs, and it's going to be like a brand new push because it did a refresh. So refresh, set 1, set 2, and we're going to make a brand new high. But I think I'm getting confused because this was the actual high. This was set 1. This was set 2. Or this was push 1, push 2. This whole thing might have been a set 1. And then this whole thing could have been the set 2. That did not go, failed to go. And then eventually did nothing. So I'm kind of in this mini picture inside this zone, so I'm not really trending anymore, is what I noticed. But I like this size here, so I went in 2% full size. And as it started to roll over pretty quickly, I didn't get out and lost it. So I 2R gain with this, 2R loss with that, so break even day there. I'm not even going to go to the precision, but yeah, these were aggressive. There was no real rollover, just slowing down, anticipated it. Same with this one. This one was an actual money spot V formation test. That's why I went 2%. So all in all, break even. But yeah, I believe it has something to do with the fact that I'm not making higher highs and then needing a refresh because I'm too far gone. I need the market to refresh. This is something else. I think it's a bigger set 1, set 2. So maybe I'm right on that. Yeah. All right, that's it.